Safe Travel Around Susie. Today we are in Lansing, Michigan, and it is cold outside, so my day trips are indoors. So come along as we come to the Michigan Historical Museum. And the sun is bright, yes, thank you. We have got lots of things planned for today, so make sure you subscribe and let's go check out this wonderful museum. In this video, you will see where I have done some voiceover and then just played some music, and then some places I do talk in the video at the museum, but it was very loud with lots of kids and lots of people going through it. It was very busy. Whenever there's wording on the screen, feel free to pause it so you can read the information. I'm not claustrophobic, but I think I would be in this time. When you first walk in, you get this mosaic piece with this beautiful pine tree in the middle of the building. Like, they built the building around this tree. It is phenomenal. I was really impressed with some of the details that they put into this museum. I hope that you really come to visit this museum in person. It is very interactive for kids, and it is very tastefully done. I really enjoyed this history museum, and I hope you do too. Well, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this one. It's a little bit different than what I normally do. I took a lot of still pictures to show you the information. But if you're ever in Lansing, Michigan, it was $8 to come here in 2025. I highly recommend. This museum is wonderful. I spent about two and a half hours just going along, checking everything out. So make sure you stop by and check this museum out. Have a safe trip.